In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup in 2025. If you find yourself needing to restore your iPhone, whether it's because you've just purchased a new device or you're trying to recover everything after resetting your iPhone, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you don't miss a single step. So, let's get started. First, let's navigate our way to iCloud settings. On your iPhone, begin by heading over to Settings. Once you're there, take a look at the top of the settings menu. This is where you'll tap your name. By tapping your name, you're entering your Apple ID settings, where all your personal and device information is housed. Once inside, look for the option labeled iCloud. Select this to access everything related to iCloud on your device. Now, it's time to ensure that your apps like Photos, Notes, and Contacts are enabled for iCloud. This step is crucial because these are the apps that most people rely on daily, and you want to make sure their data is properly synced and can be restored from iCloud. In the iCloud settings, you'll see a list of various apps with corresponding toggles. Go through the list and make sure the toggle for apps like Photos, Notes, and Contacts is switched on. Enabling these ensures that all the relevant data, such as your cherished pictures, important notes, and contact information, will be safely restored to your device. Once you've got the necessary apps enabled, the data that's synced with iCloud will begin to appear on your device automatically. There's no need for any additional action on your part after you've enabled the apps. As this data begins to populate your iPhone, you'll see your photos, notes, contacts, and other synced information being restored. This process may take a bit of time, depending on the amount of data being downloaded and your internet connection speed. So it's a good idea to be patient while everything is settling into place. As you can see, restoring an iPhone from an iCloud backup is a straightforward process when you know the steps. With these clear instructions, you'll have your device ready with all your needed information in no time. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel confident navigating these settings on your own. If this video improved your understanding, feel free to share it with others who might find themselves in a similar situation. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.